What's up, guys? Dude, we're out here. Say something, Jeremy.
We're working on the piston rings.
And we have absolutely no idea what we're doing.
What's the name of your guys' video?
Dirt bike takes hard spill. It's when Jeremy tipped my bike over and it crashed.
I didn't tip it over.
Yes, you did. You pushed on the wheel and then it goes. It was your fault. It was your fault. So he said put that one on first, right?
Yeah.
So go for it.
I don't know if it's dry yet. It should be. It said it was fast.
Yeah, it evaporates. When he was putting it on, he would go from the top.
He said these rings don't matter too much.
Oh, those tiny ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. He just said, but make sure it doesn't scrape on it. Like have your finger in between it. Make sure it doesn't hit the top of it. Did you watch how he did it? He went like this. I don't want to touch it. My fingers aren't like clean as yours. But like he placed it on top. So just put it on top, and then he just kind of like went around it. He did bottom one first. I would have put an edge on and then put it all down. Just put it all down as one piece, like that. Oh, you could go back first. Watch out! You said they break easily, though.
Yeah, we hit a problem.
What?
It's that isn't going in.
Use the old ones.
No, hold on.
There's nothing wrong with the old ones.
If those are going to be the exact same, putting them on like this.
No, but we know for sure those fit.
Is this too big?
Is it bigger than that one? Or how about these skinny ones?
I don't think these fit.
Jeremy, use the old one. What's the OC snakes?
They're the same length.
There's this. Are you putting the old one on?
No, this is the new one. Take this one out.
Oh wait. Hold on. Okay, see this notch?
Yeah.
Wait. I guess there's no way to put it somewhere else. There's a notch on the inside. See how it's up a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
But there's no way to get that on the outside because it's just the same whatever way you flip it.
It's gonna take forever.
That looks good.
Got it.
You gotta get the bottom one now, right?
Yeah.
Did you put that one on the top?
Yeah.
Do you mean enough gap in there? You sweating?
Oh, my nose itches. Oh, did I get it? Got
Yeah.
it. Okay, now these two. These two. This one, I think, is the one that stops the oil. Because it has like a lip. Okay, we got that good. Hopefully.
Now the gasket with the metal piece, that one goes on that side. So the green one you're going to put on here. Which way it goes up doesn't matter.
Ooh, snap.
It's a good fitting. It's good. There you go. Just flatten out the edges. It's okay if it comes up a little bit because it'll seal it when you put it on. Okay. What's next? You're gonna have to slide it in from, I think, be in between. Yeah. Slide down more.
Raise it up. Oh, is it going?
It went in one side. There you go. Where the heck does that go?
It goes like right in here.
It goes in between?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I got it. I freaking got it.
Does it only go on one side?
Mm-hmm. The other one's already in the other side. Oh, yeah.
Just a disclaimer, we don't know what we're doing. You do pit bike piston restoration specialist on your resume now.
I don't think so. Hold the chain and just kind of slip it through, like go through that gap.
So I'll need to be on your side.
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Pause for a second. It's too lubed. Oh, I got it. Come on. Come with me. Come with me. Let me show you the world. Okay, I got it.
Piss.
What's that? There's one.
Is that one in?
Yeah. Push it down.
Where's the gap on that side?
Over here, on this hole.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's still here.
Uh-oh. Oh, it came out. Yeah. Oh. There we go. There we go. Got it. Come on, baby. Work with me. Oh, it's hitting.
Hitting what?
It was hitting this little...
Oh, okay, hold on. Time out. He's gonna... Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Alright, we're putting the header on now.
Wait.
There we go.
Right? Is this the right? Yeah. But this...
Sure. This has to go right there. Like that. Piss off, Ghost. Should we put that sprocket in before we start sliding this on? And just slide the sprocket and the chain in together?
Ooh, yeah, that'd be a good idea.
What have we run into?
Gasket problem.
Amazon gypped us. You were only 17. With a neat street. Do. Is that fun? It definitely still smoking a little bit.
Yeah.
You can see it. Like right now, it looks like it's coming out a little bit.